Hey everyone, in this video we're going to let you in on a little secret, how we clean our chicken. Grab a bowl, fill it with water, grab some lemons and place your chicken into the bowl. Cut out any excess fatty tissues and thoroughly cleanse your chicken. Be sure to squeeze the lemon over it. The lemon helps to give a nice citrusy wash to your chicken. Okay, so next up we'll drain the water out and we'll get our chicken ready for the marinade. Add some fresh ground black pepper and salt. And we have prepared our marinade, and it's just some fresh herbs that we've blended up together. And we're going to drizzle the marinade all over our chicken. Make sure that every piece is fully covered in this amazing fresh herb, salt, pepper, lemon, olive oil marinade. So we've done the first side of our chicken. We've flipped it over to do the other side because we want to make sure that every single inch of our chicken is covered in order for it to have the most amazing flavor. So again, we're going to grab some more of our marinade and drizzle all over the other side of our chicken. We're going to use a set of tongs for this part, but I like to get my hands into the chicken and the marinade and just get it all rubbed in, but I didn't have any gloves. So if you do have gloves hanging around, feel free to put on your gloves and rub the marinade into the chicken, get the marinade under the skin, and fully cover all of your chicken in your fresh herb marinade. We are also going to grab some fresh basil and sprinkle all over for some added flavor. And we're going to make sure here that under the skin has more of this amazing marinade, because that is where the flavor of your chicken is going to come from. And when that's done, we will just sprinkle any leftover juices and marinade and let our chicken sit in the fridge for up to 30 minutes before cooking. And at this point, we add some more fresh herbs because we love fresh herbs. Cooking tips: you can bake in the oven, place on your barbecue grill, or pan fry. Okay, so that's our video for today. If you enjoyed this video, found it useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.